Miller Friel is a specialty law firm. We do only one thing, and we do it extremely well, and that is representing corporate America in disputes with insurance companies. We've decided to focus on that one thing, and we decided that we were going to bring together some of the best people in the industry and put together a firm that could do basically insurance recovery work better than anyone else in the country. Myself and Brian Friel founded Miller Friel a number of years ago as an insurance recovery law firm. I had read a book, I think about that time, by a guy named Malcolm Gladwell. It was called Outliers, and he looked at some people and he tried to figure out why certain companies and why certain firms and why certain athletes did extremely well. And he was a great proponent of nothing happens from luck, it happens from experience. And basically he looked at people like Bill Gates, for example, and he said, what did Bill Gates have that others didn't have? Well, he had access to a mainframe computer, and he had thousands upon thousands upon thousands of hours of programming before anybody else got started in it. So he was ahead of the curve. He looked at the Beatles. The Beatles were playing in seedy nightclubs for I don't know, a decade before they even hit the Ed Sullivan Show. And what he concluded from that was, you need a certain core level of experience. You have to have that core level of experience. And if you jump in to the arena without that core level of experience, you're going to fail. Or at a minimum, you're not going to be one of the top players in that arena. What Brian Friel and I decided was we'd bring together a core group of people that were really good at what they did and had a great deal of experience. All of us came out of large law firms where we practiced amongst the best lawyers in the country. So we definitely had the training and the experience, and we worked for 10, 20 years at least, at a minimum, for all of us, training ourselves in one area of law. When we decided to move, we were like the Beatles. We were ready to go. We were like Bill Gates. We had the experience. We knew what we wanted to do with it, and we were ready to compete with the best law firms in the country for work, and we were happy to do so because we were so excited about the product we had to offer. So the concept here is that we're going to try, and we do have those individuals that are extremely good at what they do. If you bring them together in one firm in a collaborative environment, which is very important, people have to work together, you get much better results than you would from any individual. So that's kind of the story of our firm and why we think that the collaboration and the experience is important.